Okay, it's time to grab that cup of tea and learn some biology, y'all. Good morning. It's Dr. Rodan, and today I am talking to you about health and wellness. There is something on my nails. I gotta get it off. So this morning, I decided to make a frittata. Look at that, everybody. I don't know if you can see that. The glare is a little off. There we go. There we go. Heavenly goodness. And that what you see on top, that's some guacamole. Hello. Okay. So, so that is what I try to eat in the morning. It's kind of my own rendition of kind of the Whole30, but it's just a whole food. Like, just whatever you eat, just make sure it comes from fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds. And even if you want a little meat, that's okay. I try to stay away from a little bit. No dairy, and not a lot of refined sugars, flours, grains, and things of that nature. So just sticking to if it grows in its natural state, then you can eat it. If it's a cheese it, leave it alone. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so enough of those shenanigans. I wanted to talk to you guys about turmeric. So this is turmeric. See how yellow that is? I don't have one of those like cool cameras where you're like, you see the turmeric? Anyway, so turmeric is a yellow powder that if you see it in mustard, that's what kind of makes it yellow. But it's amazing. It's an anti-inflammatory, and it's actually great for any of you ladies who are over 35. For example, this year I ended up having a knee injury, and my knee swelled up, and I just looked like an old limping lady, and I really didn't like that. So I grabbed like a teaspoon of turmeric and put it with some apple cider vinegar to get like a shot. I remember back in college. And I did that for 3 weeks or so. And I did have to stop doing any type of physical activity, except for I did some quadricep pulls to kind of bring, it was my kneecap was out of place. But anyways, it did the trick. And I've been telling everybody I know, turmeric, baby, especially because most of our illnesses that we have in our body are a form of inflammation and mucus buildup. So you can also use turmeric, this beautiful yellow powder, along with to make your skin super glowy. And so how I do that is I use, I don't know if you can, let me get that up in the camera a little bit better. Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Yeah. This stuff right here is the truth, right? So the way that I do that is, once again, apple cider vinegar. That's my dog. I love apple cider vinegar. And I just do a little bit of this and a little bit of the apple cider vinegar. The only thing you have to do is just make sure that it's a nice pasty consistency. So I don't really do the whole 1 teaspoon. It might be like a 1-to-1 ratio, right? Me as a science teacher don't want to use measurements. It's a shame. Now, to step it up a notch, then that's the base. You do the Aztec midnight clay and apple cider vinegar. I know I do the snapping a lot, but whatever. Then you add your turmeric and honey. Let me see if you can get this one. You want to kind of keep it raw and unfiltered, honey. And you add that in together, and You put it on your face. Now, you do need to use gloves because, like I said, turmeric is a yellow powder and it will cause you to have like yellow hands if you use it. So, you do need to use some gloves with this. You'll also need to use a plastic spoon, and I'll tell you why. Midnight clay, the reason why this stuff is so amazing is it is a purifier. So it's going to pull everything that is an impurity out of your face. But what that means is that if you have a metal spoon, it's going to pull the metal out of the spoon as well. And that kind of makes it less active for you. So you want to use a plastic spoon when you make your concoction. So today, the main topics were make a frittata, boo. Excuse me. And turmeric. You can take it as a shot with some apple cider vinegar. You can put it on your face. And you can really make your skin glow as well as lower that inflammation in the body so that you can look young, healthy, and happy for years and years to come. All right, peace and blessings. So let's drink some tea. And I told you some biology.